Guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to yet again another video. I hope you guys are having a great day so far. Thank you to every single one of you for tuning in to today's video. So we have a little bit of everything for today. I have a few, this is mainly pickups that I haven't told you about. I believe that's what I'm gonna name the video. These are things that I've gotten in the mail in the past couple of weeks, and I haven't had a chance to make a video you know, for these items, so I just decided to put them all into one single video. We have items that I have thrifted, some others that I have purchased from stores. We have a StockX sneaker pickup. We have some DHgate pickups, so I hope you can go ahead and grab some snacks, sit, relax, and I hope you enjoy today's video. If you're new and you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We are on a road to 5,000 subscribers here on YouTube. Please remember that I'm still holding a 5K YouTube subscriber giveaway. So as soon as we hit that milestone, I'll be picking the winner to give away the Jordan 2. Which we have right here. All the details to enter the giveaway are on my Instagram. Go to the reels section and look for the reel I made for this sneaker right here. All the steps are on the description, so make sure you go ahead and follow them, and then you know, good luck to everybody that has entered. Alrighty, so I think for today I'm gonna go ahead and start with my favorite, well, some of the favorite parts would be the pants. So I don't know why, but lately I have been, or at least I have noticed that I am buying a lot of pants for no reason. Okay, I think Jacob Starr is at fault for this because he has Cody. Anyways, Cody always interrupts me when I try to film. But point being is, Jacob Starr has a crazy pant collection, so I've been trying to purchase some cool pants. So anyways, I'm just gonna go ahead and get into it. So the first pant that I want to show you is this pair of brown Dickies 874 flex pants that I bought from Amazon. Now I initially had purchased this pair in a size 30-30, but it did not fit me. It was super tight. They were sold out from size 31-30, so I went ahead and purchased this 32-30, and it actually fits me super good. The length is a little bit too long for my taste, but when you wear chunky sneakers, it looks so good. So I've been wearing these non-stop for like a whole week already, and so I was planning to buy more colors. These on Amazon run for about 30 bucks, so I wanted to buy me a black pair and a tan pair, so that was gonna be about 60 bucks if you do the math. But then I had the brilliant idea of going to my local Plato's Closet, and I actually went ahead and found the same pants. Now we have right here the exact same pant. The only difference is this is the A74 original fit. The brown one is a flex fit. I cannot tell much of the difference, but this right here is a 32-30 length, and it actually fits me good. So as you can see, this one is a black pair, and I have found the exact same pant as this one, but in the tan. But I ended up leaving it behind because I found this other pant that even my mom told me that it looked better than the tan Dickies pant. It's by this random brand, Doker's Signature Khaki Pant. Not too sure. I just like the color and the fact that they are, you know, kind of like a loose fit pant. I was trying to find a similar fit as the Dickie ones that I have purchased, and this one right here seems to be it. These right here I believe are a size 30-30, which is my true size, but for some reason I have to go 2 sizes up on Dickie pants, which I don't get how that works. But anyways, that is all for the pants that I have picked up in the past 2 weeks. So now moving on to the tops, which we do have 2 t-shirts that came from DHgate. We have Oh, I just noticed both of them are from the brand Balenciaga. So we're gonna head and open the black one first. As you can see, it comes nicely packed. And again, I always tell you this, make sure you follow my Instagram because that's where you will see reels and photos of me styling all these pieces eventually. So yeah, don't miss out, you know, on the content. Also, make sure you go ahead and check out my website. I do have a couple pieces for sale. You know, just prior purchases I've made in the past, such as the entire collection of Travis Scott with McDonald's, or not the entire one, but I do have about 5 t-shirts. I believe all of them are size medium, if I'm not mistaken. Size small or medium, I don't know. Check the website. Prices are good. If you want some discount or something, DM me on my Instagram, screenshot of the item you want. I don't know, send me an offer. I might lower the price on the website for you guys to go ahead and cop. So here we have the first t-shirt. I actually do own the white color for this shirt here. It came from the same seller. I actually bought the same size, if I'm not mistaken. The Balenciaga t-shirts are supposed to fit very oversized. And this one right here, if I'm not mistaken, yeah, it's a size medium. So it does fit me pretty big. But then again, that's the look you could go for if you want. You know, I would say whenever you wear this brand, they're known to be very oversized, so I actually don't mind it. So this is the front. Very nice print, good quality. It feels like a puffy print, to be honest. And then here on the back we have this super nice, again, logos, very loud, and again that puffy print on here. So very thick, very heavy materials. I'm telling y'all, like, I don't know, I'm just saving myself so much money, and there's a lot of people who still hate on the comments, but it's okay. That's your opinion, this is mine, and it's okay. Now, for the second and last t-shirt that we have for this haul, again, we have another Balenciaga one. Now, this one right here, I'm excited about because this one is a size medium. Right here we have the Balenciaga with Simpsons collaboration. I actually do own the black colorway already, and I actually have it right here just for size comparison. So this right here is a size medium, and I'll show you in a little bit the size small. So again, I really wanted this blue one just because the kind of blue it comes in, I just feel it's one of my favorite shades of blue. So again, had to add it. And then on the back you don't have anything except for the bottom. There is some embroidered logo right down here, so very nice quality again. So let me now show you. Right here is the black one. You can see is way smaller than the blue one. I don't know how to do this. Hold on, let me see if I can kind of overlay them one on top of the other. I believe when you size up, it's just the wide part. Yeah, you can see right here. So you can see a little bit of the excess on the blue parts. It's not super major of a difference, but I know that I'm gonna be happy with the size medium. When I purchased the black one, it was my first time buying from this seller, and when I got the t-shirt, I was happy with the quality. I was just wishing I had ordered a size medium because the Balenciagas that this guy sells are not that oversized in my opinion. So I thought a small would fit me more like a medium, but it didn't do it in my opinion. So again, t-shirt, super nice. Let me know down below what you think of it. But The Simpsons, it's probably by far my favorite show from like my childhood, so I had to have it. Now for the last thing that we have for today's video is this pair of Nike Dunk Highs. These right here came from StockX. I actually placed a bid. I do want to let everybody know that if you are on a hunt for a nice pair of Nike Dunks, check the section for Dunk Highs. I I'm telling you, the prices are really, really good. Most of the dunk highs go for under 200 bucks. So I'll show you right now. So you got right here, and then we have this beautiful, beautiful Nike Dunk High in this navy color. Now, there's one mistake I may have made, but before we get into that, hold on. Now, here I have the receipt. I'm gonna go ahead and cover my address, but you can see right here the price I paid. So I went ahead and paid $128 for the shoes, which is insane if you think about it. Shipping and all that good stuff, like the processing and all that. So shoes came out to be $162 out the door. So again, even $162 is really good in my opinion for a pair of Nike Dunks. Now, I would say even the shoes from StockX are lacking quality wise in my opinion. So first, the mistake I made was to buy a size that a little bit too big for me. These are a size 7 youth. I should have purchased a 6.5 youth because the 7s do fit me a little bit big. I might still wear them, I'm not too sure, but anyways, now as far as the quality, the toe boxes have some inconsistencies that, you know, this is why it's like, why bother to purchase shoes from StockX when I could have probably saved myself 30 bucks by buying a UA version of these, right? So again, I'm gonna show you the toe box and then you let me know if you see any inconsistencies, but I do see them. So the shoe that's on my right side, maybe your left, does look a little bit like shifted. And I actually do own another Nike Dunk High that has the same issue, like shifting on the toe box. So I don't know, I personally don't feel that the toe box is right. Like this left shoe right here, I feel is too shifted, and then there's very like little area right here, and then this shoe right here, like the toe box does not match at all with the other ones. So again, these are your StockX shoes. I'll be 100% honest. Every time I purchase something, I'll always tell you where I got it from. Like, if you're an OG to the channel, you would know that my collection, there are some retail shoes, there's some UA pairs, and there's other DHK pairs. So I have a little bit of everything. The other pair that I have from StockX, which is this one right here, I also have the receipt and everything. If you notice the toe box, you see that big shift right here? Like, that's not normal, and I got it like that from StockX. I'm telling you, like, why would you pay such high prices to run the risk of still getting a fake shoe, you know what I'm saying? So I'd rather just go ahead and get my UAs, wear them with no issues, wear them, you know, like feeling good, and that's it, you know? So anyways, these are gonna go to the shelves. They're still cool. Hopefully they ain't foo-foo, because I did pay, you know, $160 for them. But anyway, so that is pretty much it for today's video. It was a pretty long video, I would say, might be about 12 minutes or so. I hope you guys enjoyed, and yeah, I don't know. I'm over here watching Whatnot, trying to buy some vintage gear, which there's about, I would say, 6 or 7 pieces coming from Whatnot, because I placed some bids and won a few times these past couple of days. So I will have a Whatnot vintage clothing haul video coming soon. Pretty excited to see, you know, the pieces in real life. Hopefully they do fit me. As well, I have a ton of DHK clothes. I have 5 pairs of shoes on the way from DHK, and I have 2 pairs of shoes from a UA company that I will collaborate with. So just stay tuned to the channel. I have a lot of work to do regarding like editing and all that good jazz, but I appreciate your support. If you stayed all the way to the end, thank you so much. And that's pretty much it. I'll catch you guys in the next upload schedule. Peace.